Hello students, this is the most important video for all of my students who are preparing a lot for their IELTS exam but they're not getting their required band. If you're preparing for 777-8, you have got band in all the modules and you haven't got band in the writing module, then you can watch this video very carefully because this is all about introduction part, as I have observed that most of students are facing problem in introduction part. Therefore, today this is Preeti Chima with a new video about introduction. In this video, I will help you out how you can write down the introduction for band 8. So, today's topic is the best way to reduce youth crime is to educate their parents with parental skills. To what extent do you agree or disagree? As I have elaborated in my others video, if in your writing question it is mentioned that do you agree or disagree, it means it is opinion based question. I have mentioned earlier also, in introduction part you will have to keep three things in your mind. Very first thing, that is background statement. Second thing, that is paraphrasing. And third thing, that is plan of action. Now I'm going to help you out with all the three parts. How will you write down your background statement? How will you rephrase your question? And how will you write down your plan of action? So background statement is a sentence which describes the whole idea about your question. Background statement always show the complete idea about your question. So in this question, background statement should be linked to crime. Topic is about youth crime. So background statement must be linked to the crime topic. Over here topic is youth crime and parenting, along with that parental skills. It means we have to choose that background statement which completely tells about parents and the youth crime. Keep this thing also in your mind. You cannot repeat any of the word whatsoever given in your question part. In intro, you will always have to write down the synonyms of the words whatsoever given in your IELTS writing question. Over here, if youth crime is mentioned, if parental skills is mentioned, you can't repeat the same word. Use any of the synonym of the same word. So, what is a background statement for this topic? It can be as escalation, because escalation means increase. As escalation in juvenile delinquency. Juvenile means children under 18. Over here the word youth is mentioned. We can replace the word youth with juvenile. Moreover, the word crime can be replaced by delinquency. Delinquency means crime. So youth crime can be replaced by the word juvenile delinquency. So as escalation in juvenile delinquency rate has been witnessed. Witnessed is band 7 word. You can write down the word seen also, but seen is a basic word. Instead of seen, prefer to write down the word witness. So, as escalation in juvenile delinquency rate has been witnessed in many parts of the world, means all over the world, in many parts of the world. Therefore, this has raised concept of parental skills. It means just because of the crime rate, the issue of parental skill has been witnessed, has been seen. So this is known as a background statement because it completely describes the topic. Our topic is about youth crime. Youth crime is increasing. Therefore, the concept of parental adroitness and parental skill is witnessed. So this is our background statement. After the background statement, we have to rephrase, means we have to paraphrase the question. Question is that the best way to reduce youth crime is to educate their parents. So we can write down this statement in such a way. Educating parents, it means educate their parents, educating parent with exquisite parental adroitness. Exquisite means perfect. parental adroitness means skills, is considered the most peerless means matchless way to combat means reduce youth crime. So for reduced, I have used the word combat. For skills, I have used the word adroitness. For matchless, I have used the word peerless. For the perfect, I have used the word exquisite. Therefore, this is the paraphrasing in which I have mentioned educating parents with exquisite parental adroitness is considered the most peerless way to combat youth crime. It means if we want to combat, means reduce the youth crime, then it seems to me that, and it seems to us that parental adroitness means teaching parent is peerless way, is matchless way. Some people believe this thing, so it is written as a rephrasing part of this question. Thereafter, we have to write on the plan of action. In the question, it is mentioned that do you agree or disagree? It means in the plan of action, we have to mention either we are agree, disagree or partial agree. But in this statement, in this question, I feel that only teaching parents is not the solution to reduce the youth crime. There must be other alternatives too by which we can reduce the crime rate. Therefore, I won't go for the fully agreement. I won't go for the disagreement. I will partially agree with the statement. So, my plan of action would be, however, I partially acquiesce with the given statement for the reasons outlined below. It means I am partially acquiesce, I am partially agree with the given statement for the reasons which I am going to mention in my upcoming paragraph. I haven't mentioned the word agree again because agree is in the question. Therefore, I wrote the word that is acquiesce. Acquiesce means agree. Acquiesce is also band 7 plus word. Acquiesce means is agree. You can use this word at the place of agree too. So this is all about our introduction part, in which this part is known as background statement, where I have clearly described how youth crime is increasing, what is the reason of youth crime. With these two sentences clearly show the idea of our given question. Thereafter, I wrote these sentences which is known as paraphrasing, in which I have rephrased my given question in an accurate way with band 7 plus vocabularies. Thereafter, I have mentioned this sentence I partially acquiesce, which is known as plan of action, which is also band 7 plus plan of action, because the word however, word acquiesce, word outline, they all are 7 plus vocabulary. If target is 77778 but you always get band 5, 5.5 and 6 only, then practice in this way. Write on the introduction in such a way where you have your background statement, your rephrasing, your plan of action. Then practice in such a way, because all these three parts are mandatory according to IELTS writing checklist. In writing checklist, it is clearly mentioned that you will have to write down the introduction in such a way. First of all, you will write down your background statement, then your rephrasing, then your plan of action. If you will write down introduction in such a way, then definitely you will be able to get your required band. Then definitely you will be able to nail it. Therefore, today onwards, practice your IELTS writing module in such a way. If you have any of doubt in this introduction part, you can ask me in the comment section. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel for these kind of the IELTS sessions.